Hello and welcome to this new video on how to upload video on Instagram on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So there are multiple ways for you to upload video on Instagram. So first thing is by posting the video. So you can just look on the left hand side of the screen and there will be list of tab. You can just click on that create tab. When you see it, just click on it and two different options will be available and you just need to click on that post, and post section will be appeared right in front of your screen. Now you just have to choose the video that you want to upload and you will be able to post. And next way to upload video is through your story. So in order to upload through story, you just have to do the right click in the middle of the screen and a pop-up box will appear, and you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up box and there will be inspect section. So you just have to click on the inspect section, and when the inspect section is appeared, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be an icon like laptop and mobile phone. This is to switch the view to laptop PC view or your mobile phone view. So you can just click on it and you will be able to switch the view, and you just need to look on the left hand side of the screen. To be more accurate, on the top left hand side there will be dimensions shown as well. So you just need to click on the dimension and you will be able to choose the mobile phone dimension that you are comfortable with, and you will be able to see that mobile view on the screen. And in order to be more accurate, you just have to hit that refresh button and you will be able to see that mobile view more accurately, and you will be able to see your story option as well. Now you can just click on here and story uploading section will be appeared, and just choose the video that you want to upload. And another way to upload video on Instagram is by going to the new tab and opening the Creator Studio. And when you are inside the Creator Studio, you will be able to see different buttons on the middle of the screen or on the bottom of your Instagram username. They are create post, create reel, create story or create ad. You can just click on create reel and you will be able to upload the video that you want to upload through reel. So this is how to upload video on Instagram on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.